Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you this Flask application with the help of which you can detect whether a person is suffering from pneumonia or not. Okay, so we have some x-rays over here if you see, right, and these are the x-rays of people who have pneumonia. Okay, now if I upload anything like that, so if you see here, the result is pneumonia detected. How is this happening? We have created a Python file here which is taking into consideration this chest underscore x-ray folder wherein our test, train and validation data resides. Okay, to get this data you can check the description section. There you will find the link of the Kaggle dataset which you can download and then you can use it for this project. And for the coding section, what you can do is you can take the code from the GitHub, link of which is present in the description section along with this link of the dataset. Okay, now what the first thing that you have to do is you have to run this train underscore pneumonia underscore model.py. When you'll run it, it will take all the images which are present in test, train and validation, as you can see here, right? And then it will create a model for you with name pneumonia underscore cnn.h5. Okay, now with this model you can detect whether a person is suffering from pneumonia or not just by uploading the x-ray of that person, right, image of the x-ray of that person. So that is what this whole project is about. Now once you're done with creating the model, you have to simply upload it here inside this models name directory. I'll see if I can upload this one too for you guys so that you don't have to go through all this process of generating the model. You can simply run this run.py file. Okay, so this is how you can run this application. Just run this last line of code which I'm going to show you. Let me close it first. So this is how you can run the project simply. Okay, it may give you some errors in initially because there are some libraries which you need to install first before you run this project and access it on the browser over here like this. This is the complete project and the main code is present inside this routes named folder. Okay, so it takes this pneumonia underscore cnn named modal. Okay, and then using it, it checks whether in the uploaded image uh, you know pneumonia is there or not. Fine, so it's a very simple code. It is just taking the image, reading it, converting it into an array which can be read by the model, and then the prediction happens using this predict named library, you can say, right? And what is the main library that we're using here? It's TensorFlow. Okay, TensorFlow Keras. And here for creating the model, we are using image data generator, convolutional 2D, right? Max pooling is used, dense. You must have heard about convolution layers in your artificial intelligence books and relevant things. So that is what you can demonstrate with the help of this project. It's a very short project, but yes, it is something with the help of which you can demonstrate machine learning to your students and to your colleagues. That is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can take this project from the link in the description section. Let me know about your feedback and let me know your comments in the description section below. Feel free to let me know about some ideas of yours which you would like me to explore and give you the projects based on. That is it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day, guys.